To this day, it is irrelevant for many to know what else there is of our Earth. It is somewhat boring to even learn the names of each planet or galaxy, although it will be possible that you can guess. What is the name of the planet that you see on the screen? If you said it was the Moon, you are in a big mistake. It's about Ceres. The dwarf planet Ceres, located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, is a small world that has delivered big surprises. So below we present data on the planets of the solar system that you did not know. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and is primarily known for its great red spot, a long-lasting storm on Jupiter's surface. This planet has much more to it, however, and is currently considered by scientists to be very important to our security. The reason for this is that Jupiter's size and enormous gravitational pull act as a protective barrier that shields Earth from space debris, knocking dangerous objects into their own orbit before they can reach us.
A Frenchman named Pierre-Simon Laplace discovered a comet that seemed to be heading towards Earth, but got caught in Jupiter's gravitational field and completely withdrew from the solar system. If asked which planet is the hottest, most people will answer Mercury. While this is not true, it is a completely sensible conclusion, given that Mercury is, after all, the closest planet to the Sun. But it turns out that Venus is actually hotter than Mercury, even though it is farther away. The reason for this is that Mercury in fact, to its proximity to the Sun doesn't even have an atmosphere, which means it doesn't have anything to keep it warm. Venus, on the other hand, has a notoriously thick atmosphere, which traps the heat created by the Sun. Interestingly, Venus is also the black sheep of the world of planets, and it spins in the opposite direction. One day on any planet is considered one complete rotation.
We are used to this rotation lasting about 24 hours, so it seems strange to think of spending a day on Mercury, whose rotation lasts about 60 Earth days. We would be waiting a long, long time for the morning to come. Interestingly, we can experience a fairly similar phenomenon when traveling to Antarctica, where the Sun stays below the horizon throughout the winter. Due to Mercury's orbit around the Sun, a year on that planet is the equivalent of about 88 Earth days, which means that on Mercury, there are fewer than 2 days in a year. But that's not all. Due to the planet's strange orbit, the Sun actually appears to travel back and forth in the sky.
The Sun is, of course, the most important part of our solar system. Although this glowing ball of gas gives us light, heat, and energy, and makes just about everything work, it's sometimes easy to forget just how mind-bogglingly huge our Sun really is. The Sun accounts for more than 99% of all the mass in our entire solar system. Jupiter and some of the other big planets make up most of the rest, with Earth barely factoring into the equation.